The Recon 2000 is equipped with a high-definition LCD screen that gives you tons of useful information. Right in the center is your battery percentage indicator. It will tell you how much power you have left on your device. On the left, you have your primary metrics, your input and your output. It will tell you how much power is being drawn out of your device or how much power is being pushed into the battery that is contained within the Recon 2000. This will help you know how much power is flowing into the device or out of the device. One of the most helpful features is on the right-hand side in the lower right. This does one of two things. First, if you are charging the device, it will tell you how long until the battery is fully charged. If you are powering something from the Recon 2000, it will tell you how much longer it will power that device for. If you are using both an input and an output at the same time, it will tell you the time left regarding whatever is greater. For example, if I have a higher input going into the Recon, it will tell me how long I have left to fully recharge the battery. If I am drawing more power out than I am putting in, it will tell me how much longer I have left to run my various devices. At the bottom, you will also see icons indicating whether each part of the system is on. One for DC, one for AC, and one for USB-C outputs. If you see the indicator lit up, that means it is on. You may shut it off if you are no longer using it. The last thing I want to mention is the safety icons on the far right side of the screen. They are in the upper right corner. If you see a fan in the top right corner, the battery may turn off in order to preserve battery life and keep the system stable. In order to continue using the device, please relocate it into shade or cooler temperatures and it will function as normal. There are two other icons, one with a thermometer with an arrow up and one with a thermometer with an arrow down. The thermometer with the arrow up means it has entered high temp protection mode. Please move the Recon 2000 into the shade or a cooler temperature to resume use. If you see the thermometer with the arrow down, it means it has gone into low temp protection mode. Please move the Recon 2000 inside or warm up before attempting to use. The battery itself has these protections built in to preserve battery life and ensure your system functions at full capacity for longer. If you have any further questions regarding the Recon 2000 or any of Dark Energy's other products, please email us at support@darkenergy.com.